Hi Donley fam, this is Sherri coming at you with a Jeep Wrangler. We have this beautiful Jeep in stock. It's automatic and ready to go home with you. Rugged Bridgestone tires, step up for your convenience, and 4 doors to make getting your family in and out easy for you. And back here we have a full-size spare tire. The back door swings open, and you can either do it by itself or you can open the glass also. And I've got all your all-season mats in the back here. You have quite a bit of room in the back of this, so if you have a dog or you need to travel with some gear, some camping equipment, you definitely have room for it. These back seats fold down in a flat configuration, so if you have something a little bit larger that you need to slide in here, that's going to work for you. There's a couple of tow hooks up on the front here in case you need to pull out someone else. And a really nice bright set of fog lights. You got some beautiful black seats in here and a convertible top if you like riding with the wind in your hair. So this is sitting just over 54,000 miles. It is all-wheel drive, 1 owner, and clean Carfax. This is a simple, straightforward system. Not a lot of bells and whistles on here. It's made to be enjoyed without being too complicated. This also qualifies for our Donley Lifetime Limited Warranty because it is 8 years or newer. It has less than 80,000 miles, and that covers all your internal lubricated parts on your drivetrain, including your engine, transmission, and your drive axle. You can get that on any of our vehicles, again, that are 8 years or newer and less than 80,000 miles. Come see any one of us at Donley and we can explain that to you. Hope to see you soon. Let's get out and let's start the off-roading.